let's talk about content creation. If you want to start content creation and you're so clueless, you don't even know where to start, you don't know how to go about it and how to start, then I have words for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my page. I've decided that every day in August, I will be dropping a video on video editing. Note, I'm not a professional yet, but everything I know about video editing, I'm going to share with you. So if you are looking for a professional editor, I want you to go past this video. This video is not for you. This video is for beginners who just want to try, who want to start creating content, who are clueless about what content creation is all about. Now, let's talk about content creation. Now, I have some ideas. If you put your phone down and you come in front of a camera and say something meaningful, that is content creation. Now, let's scrap this. I'm going to be dropping this mic. You don't even need a mic. You don't need a good camera. Let me shock you. I'm recording this video with an Android phone. So meaning you don't need to have a very big phone. I'm shooting this video with my Android phone. Have a good Android. You don't need a ring light. You don't need to have a POP. I don't even have POP in my room. And as you can see, I just have all stickers behind me. You don't even need that as well. If you don't want to, you don't need it. So content creation basically is you dropping your phone, standing in front of camera and saying something meaningful. Let's say you're camera shy. I also have an idea for you. We're going to be seeing all of that in my editing class. If you're camera shy, take a very good picture. Go to CapCut. Upload that picture on CapCut. Go to ChatGPT. If you don't know what to say, tell ChatGPT that I want to start recording a series on lifestyle, on words of encouragement, motivational speech, anything, stories. You can tell ChatGPT to write stories for you, human generated stories, real life stories. It will generate it for you. If you don't have word content, go to ChatGPT. That will do that for you. It will create a word content for you. You can just go to CapCut, put that picture you took, put it on CapCut. Go to the voiceover, record a voiceover of you creating those motivational speech, and you have the content right there. Now, let's say you don't even want to put your pictures out there. You don't want people to see your face. You are so shy that you don't want people to see your face at all. Now, I have another idea for you. Do you know that there's an application that I'm still going to show you in this series, in this video editing class series, that what you have to do is to carry your script. And if you don't even know how to write that script, don't worry. You can do that on ChatGPT. You just copy that script from ChatGPT, put it on this video editing app, and it will generate a full scripted video for you with pictures, videos, everything you need. And voiceover with captions. It's going to generate that for you. That is another style of content. Let's now say you don't want to do that. That one, it doesn't suit you. You don't like that idea. You can decide to start creating faceless videos using AI. We have a lot of AI app that you can use to create faceless videos that you can post on your social media handle, and in return, you're going to get revenues. You're going to get money. I'll tell you that I'm not one to come here and bluff and tell you how much I earn from content creation, but I can tell you for free that in this little life of mine, I have earned good money from content creation. So content creation is the new money in town in 2025. So if you know, you know. You don't want to lose in this. Start creating content. Start creating something. Put yourself out there. Those things in your head, let it out and convert it into money. Okay? Don't go about begging for 2K. You're not tired. You're not tired of that 2K. So you don't even need a whole lot. I've dropped my mic. Now, back to our video editing class. This video editing class is basically for beginners. And that is why throughout this video editing class, I'm not going to be using my mic. I'm not going to be using any paparazzi whatsoever. I'm just going to be here telling you how you can start from the scratch for people that are absolutely clueless and don't even know where to go from here. Alright, so I'll be taking you on this journey. Now, the application we're going to be using for this our video editing class is CapCut. And one other application that I will tell you at the end of this series, towards the end of the series. But basically, we will start with CapCut. Alright, so start with CapCut, the basics. Like I said earlier, I'm not a professional, but I can try. So I'm going to show you everything I know about editing a video. Alright, and that's it. Okay, so you guys, you want to stay tuned and make sure that you're glued to this page, because you don't want to miss the teas that I'm going to be letting out. And having said that, the CapCut we're going to use, if you go to CapCut, there are so many features in CapCut that are paid features that if you don't subscribe to their premium version, you might not have access to them. Now I've got you. And another problem of you is that some of you do not want to pay for anything. Your own is that everything should be free. Like, yeah, it doesn't work that way. If you are looking forward to making it big, you have to invest in knowledge. You have to invest in yourself. If you warrant you to pay for courses, pay. See, some of these digital courses, they are not waste of money. You will pay, you add to your knowledge, it will help you to be vast, it will help you to be exposed, it will help you to gain more experience and expertise. So you guys, I'm having this CapCut Pro for iPhone users for just 5,000 naira, and for Android users for just 3,000 naira. If you're an Android user, I have the CapCut Premium that will help you access all the pro features on CapCut for just 3,000 naira. If you are using iPhone is 5,000 naira. So if you're interested, meet me in the comment section. I'll be leaving the link to my WhatsApp DM in the comment section, so you might want to go ahead and click the link in the comment section or in the caption or in the description below to send me a message so that you will get your CapCut Pro version for free, because so many features we are going to be using are pro features. Alright, and you will not want to miss that. Okay, and like I said earlier, if you know that you are not ready to invest in yourself to make money, you can as well roll up, because you're not even investing much. That is it. I've invested a lot in accessing, gaining knowledge. I've invested a lot in this life of mine, gaining knowledge. Okay, so if you know that you are not ready to invest in knowledge, everything to you is a scam. My dear, scroll away. This video is not for you. Alright, so you guys, but basically you try as much as possible to be flexible and to ensure that everything you need to do and be productive is not expensive. Alright, so all you will be paying for this class is just for the CapCut Pro. That's all. And maybe for the Filmora Pro, that's just all you pay for these classes, and that is it. So the class is totally free. The series is free. I'll drop in the free videos every single day in August. Alright, so you might want to stay tuned and stay tuned. If you have not followed this page, follow, so that you get notified whenever I upload. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.